Hi everyone, welcome back. So this is the uh, module 2. We can say this is the second video of PowerShell scripting. So in this video we'll learn how to install PowerShell 7 on Windows operating system. We also can install it on Mac and Linux. Before starting the PowerShell, we have to install its version. So with if you are using Windows operating system, you will have by default the with Windows 10 and Windows 11 by default version of PowerShell is 5.1. So you also can install it the PowerShell 7 version here. This is the official GitHub page for the PowerShell releases, and based on that, for you can download a MSI version for Windows operating system, run the installer, and once you install the operating system, it will just install the PowerShell and you can start scripting. If you in case you want to use the command line, you just can run the command winget install hyphen hyphen id microsoft.powershell, and source would be winget in case you want to install the PowerShell on your operating system, Windows operating system. Chocolatey version also available to install it, so you just can run this command to install the PowerShell on Windows operating system. Once it is installed, you can run this command, which will show you the version of the PowerShell. So if I run this command, it will tell me I'm using probably 5.1 version of the PowerShell in my operating system. Uh, Installing PowerShell on Mac OS also can be done. So in case you have Mac operating system and you want to install, so you just need to open terminal and run this command. It is going to download the PowerShell and installing on your Mac OS. And once it is done, you just can run this command to launch the PowerShell. And again, same PowerShell version command can be used to check the operating system version at Mac OS. Once you have installed, you can run such commands: get hyphen date, it display the current date of the your laptop, and location, you can see what is the current working directory. Get child item, whatever the folders and files inside that directory. Get process, what all process are running, and you also can check all the available commands in that PowerShell version. If we talk about to install the PowerShell on Linux operating system, that is also possible. So you, in the example showing here is for Ubuntu operating system. So you can use this command sudo apt update, and then you need to install that this command sudo apt install hyphen y wgt apt transparent, and this software need to be installed. After that, you can install all these commands, and at last you have to install the PowerShell. So these are the dependencies file which you have to install before installing the PowerShell. Once you install it, PowerShell will be installed. After that, you can run pwss command to launch the PowerShell in your SSL command, and it will launch. So you can start writing the basic commands at your PowerShell, like get hyphen uptime, it will show the system uptime for your Linux operating system. Get hyphen child item and slash home, it means at the home directory all the contents will be displayed. Get hyphen content, you can read the whatever what is mentioned in that host file, you can read that with the help of get hyphen content. Get hyphen help and get hyphen process, it will help you how you can run the get hyphen process command. So this is all about the installing of the PowerShell on all the operating system. That's include Windows, Mac, and Linux operating system. So you can do, once you have installed the PowerShell, you can launch it and you can check the this PowerShell $PS version table to check the version of the PowerShell. Okay guys, so if we talk about the Windows operating system, I'm using a Windows operating system. So you can simply go to Google, you can write download the PowerShell 7.4.6, and it will you can use installing PowerShell on Windows. So you will come on this window, and after that we just can install it. So what I will do, I will download the MSI package. We can download the MSI package. So I'm going to download this x64. Once it is downloaded, I can install it. Okay, so installation is very easy. We just double click on it and next, and it will get installed. So it is very easy, guys. Thank you so much for your time. Let's connect at next video. If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe. In future videos, we will be learning how we can write complex PowerShell script. Once we have the concepts clear of all the basic PowerShell concepts, so that you can have all the scripting right for to manage your systems through the PowerShell. Thank you so much for your time.